Ladies and gentlemen, fruit aficionados, and foodies alike, welcome to our tropical paradise. Today, we're embarking on a juicy journey to explore the undisputed king of fruits, the mango. From its luscious flavor to its incredible health benefits, get ready to be mesmerized by the mango's charm. 1. A heavenly tropical flavor. Let's kick off our mango adventure with its irresistible taste. The mango boasts a heavenly blend of sweetness and tanginess, transporting your taste buds to a tropical paradise with every bite. 2. A powerhouse of vitamins. Get your daily dose of vitamins from this golden delight. Mangoes are packed with essential nutrients, especially vitamin C and vitamin A, supporting a robust immune system and promoting healthy vision. 3. Rich in fiber, good for digestion. Indulging in a mango isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It's a boon for your gut too. The fiber in mangoes aids digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps your digestive system in top shape. 4. Supports heart health. Mangoes love your heart as much as you love them. Their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, and the fiber and antioxidants contribute to a healthy heart. 5. Antioxidant warriors. In the battle against harmful free radicals, mangoes are the unsung heroes. Loaded with antioxidants like quercetin, zeaxanthin, and astragalin, they protect your cells from oxidative stress and promote well-being. 6. Boosts memory and brain function, calling all memory enthusiasts. Mangoes may enhance your brain function. The vitamin-rich fruit supports cognitive health, helping you stay sharp and focused. 7. Radiant skin glow. Want that radiant glow? Look no further than mangoes. Their high vitamin A content promotes healthy skin, giving you the "just came back from vacation" glow. 8. Natural immune system booster. When it comes to boosting your immunity, mangoes are the true champs. Vitamin C, beta-carotene, and other nutrients team up to keep your defenses strong and ready to fight off infections. 9. Hydrating summer saviors. In scorching summers, mangoes come to the rescue. With their high water content, they keep you hydrated and refreshed, so you can conquer the heat with a smile. 10. Weight management ally. Who said you can't enjoy a delicious treat while watching your waistline? Mangoes, with their fiber and low-calorie goodness, are perfect allies in your weight management journey. 11. Supports eye health. Your eyes deserve some mango love too. The fruit's rich supply of zeaxanthin supports eye health, shielding your peepers from harmful blue light and maintaining clear vision. 12. Energy boosters. Need an energy boost? Reach for a mango. Its natural sugars provide a quick pick-me-up, making it an ideal pre-workout or midday snack. 13. Stress relief from a tropical paradise. Take a mini vacation with every bite. Mangoes contain compounds like serotonin and glutamine, known for their stress-relieving properties, helping you unwind and relax. 14. Bone health support. Strong bones? Mangoes have got your back. With their vitamin and mineral content, they contribute to bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis. 15. Your delicious antioxidant smoothie. Looking for a delightful antioxidant boost? Blend mangoes into a scrumptious smoothie. It's a delectable way to enjoy all the goodness this fruit has to offer. Outro. And there you have it, the 15 marvels of the mango, the king of fruits. We hope this tropical escapade has left you craving more of this golden treasure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow fruit enthusiasts. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a fruity adventure.